everybody, Dimitris Kiavas here. Welcome to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic, you are thriving in life and business. So, for today's video, I want to review a book. Boring! I know what you're thinking, especially if you're at school right now, if you were in college, if you were like me, I didn't really enjoy reading, I didn't really enjoy studying books. When you tell me about books, I immediately start thinking about boring shit. But I can tell you right now, the past 10 years of my life, I have been reading way more. And you know, the greatest thing is that no one made me do it. Actually, myself, better version of myself, made me do it, because you need to understand one thing. If you want to change your life right now, you can. Yes, you can, of course you can, and you are made to change your life. If you are happy where you are, working for someone else or running your own business, but you know, with a million of other problems, you're happy where you are, stay there, okay? But if you want to change your life to the better, you need to understand one thing, that no one will come in and hold your hand and take you and give you 1, 2, 3, what do you need to do. So you need to be able to go ahead to Google. On Google, you need to go ahead, invest in some courses, invest in some books, because you need to educate yourself. And today, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite books in terms of how it literally, not changed my life, but it made me think bigger. It made me think different about what are the things that I can do in my life. And this is the book I'm talking about, Expert Secrets, from Russell Brunson. If you don't know Russell Brunson is the co-founder and creator of ClickFunnels, an amazing software that is going to help you build your own pages, your own funnels. You can go ahead and check it out in the link, click the link below to get started. So this is one of the most amazing books, personally for me, in my opinion, because it literally helped me see the bigger picture. And this is one of the books, it's a version where it comes here with Traffix secrets, with .com secrets, with Unlock the secrets, and here we have all the trilogy, and here we have the Expert Secrets. First of all, it was the book .com secrets, but somehow I managed to read Expert Secrets first. And what is about Expert Secrets and why is it considered one of my favorite books? So it all comes down to showing that, your knowledge has power. The things that you know, the things that are inside your mind, and the thing that comes as a second nature to you, you can sell them and you can make a lot of money. But overall, no one really likes to be sold. Everybody, all the people, they love to buy, but no one really likes to be sold. So in Expert Secrets, this book was written back in 2017. And the very first time I wrote it, it made me realize that, everybody out there is an expert, and you don't have to be an expert at digital marketing or Facebook advertising. You can be an expert programmer. You can be an expert yoga teacher. You can be an expert accountant. You can go ahead and no matter what knowledge you have in life, you can be an expert in relationships. You can be a health expert. So you could go ahead and start sharing your journey with others, how you manage to get all this knowledge and how you can share it with amazing people all over the world. So Expert Secrets goes ahead to show you and share with you what are the secrets of storytelling, how you can be a leader and make all the people follow you, how you can have like a bigger vision than yourself, and how you can create a movement of people that it makes them really take action. And if you know me well enough, I'm the guy that everybody comes when they want to scale an e-commerce store. I'm the guy who they come to me when it's time to talk about e-commerce and more especially Google Analytics. So if I manage to create a small movement of people that follow me talking about such boring shit as Google Analytics, imagine what you can do when you have like experience and you can tell people how to run a digital marketing business, or how to be better at yoga, or how to overcome a divorce, or whatever that is. So literally, this book is going to help you not only understand the things I already mentioned about, creating a movement, being the leader and having a bigger vision, but how you can do storytelling and how you can do story selling. It's really, really important to understand that it's good enough to be liked from people and to getting the amazing love as I'm getting from you guys, but overall you have to go ahead and still then believe into people that they can change their life. And no matter what that is, some people they want to improve their exterior, some people they want to improve their mindset and how they're thinking, some people they want to get bigger bank accounts and they want to learn skills like Facebook advertising, Google, Instagram, no matter what that is, in order to make their bank accounts bigger. So no matter where you are expert in, even if you are expert in knitting, yes, there are people that are interested out there in knitting. I was saying the other time, there is actually many YouTube channels that they take really dirty cards and they are doing detailing and cleaning, and you see millions of people around the world, they are watching these videos. I'm one of them. I'm guilty that watch them as well. Then you can take different ways, different routes on how you can monetize. So you can even go solely on YouTube and rely on income from YouTube advertising. You can rely on affiliate income. You could go ahead. So this guy, for example, goes ahead and says, okay, this is what I'm doing in order to clean the tires. This is what I'm doing in order to clean the interior. This is how it shines. And goes ahead and has like Amazon affiliation and gets a commission for every person that goes ahead and buys. Some other people in some other channels, they are selling books. Some other people, they are selling digital courses. So there is a way to actually monetize, and I highly recommend that you get a copy of this book, or even better if you like, go ahead and take the whole trilogy, because you will get to understand not only how to create an actual expert business, but how you can use funnels and storytelling with inside.com secrets, and how you can use different type of traffic sources like Facebook advertising, SEO, email marketing, the Dream 100, in order to make a super successful online business. I would highly recommend, if you can get started, buy this book. It can even, if you're doing webinars, which I am doing, by the way, like it literally help you craft your the webinar. It has even have a script that you can follow, and it also leads you to the sale. It will show you step by step how you can create a webinar script where you start literally from the beginning. You break all negative beliefs that people have about themselves, and then keep going and make them realize that the life is out there. They can grab their hands on them, and they can literally change their life. If you want to buy it, you can check my link below and go ahead and buy this book. I highly recommend it. Last time I checked, it would come with free plus shipping. Okay, I think the simpler version of that, not the trilogy. Go ahead and check it out, and if you read it, let me know what you think. If you have already read it, let me know what do you think, and if this one has actually got to change your life. Imagine if it changed my life talking about Google Analytics shit, I can imagine that it can change yours. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.